Students, now I explain the conduction part of the far over characteristics of air subjected to high voltage AC with spark voltage corrected to standard temperature and pressure for uniform and non-uniform configuration. The configuration means sphere, point plane, and then point and plane. The uniform means sphere, point, plane means that is the uniform configuration, and then point plane is the non-uniform configuration. The example. Okay. Now I explain the control panel. Okay. In the control panel consists of 50 kV AC high voltage tester. This control panel is used for both HVAC and HVDC. Now we are conducting the HVAC experiment only. So therefore HV-kV-AC high voltage tester. Here is the AC charging voltage. This is the input variable voltage. Here what are the indicating lamp push button is there. This is the main switch. Mains on indicating lamp. Unit relay indicating lamp. HTO on indicating lamp. HTO off indicating lamp. This is the increase indicating lamp, decrease voltage indicating lamp, memory push button, emergency push button, decrease voltage push button, increase voltage push button, HTO off push button, HTO on push button, reset push button, mains on push button only. This is the control panel configuration. The next, what are the apparatus required? This is the high voltage transformer. Here and the rating of the transformer is there. Actually the input voltage is 240 volt, the output voltage is 50 kV. The rating of the high voltage transformer is 2.5 kVA. This is the output terminal of the transformer. This is the input terminal of the transformer. This is the earth. This is the configuration I told you, sphere shaped, that means configuration, sphere to sphere configuration. So therefore this kit is called as a sphere gap assembly. This is the rod gap assembly. In the rod gap assembly, this is the plane electrode, this is the point electrode. Now what is the configuration? Plane and then point. This is the non-uniform configuration. If you want to, that means point to point means one more point that is there. This we have to fix here means point to point. That I will explain in the conduction part. So this is the water resistor. In the theory portion I will explain what is the function and then usage of this water resistor. Now you can conduct. Before we are conducting this experiment, for our safety precautions, this is the discharging rod. So we have to discharge it. So the water resistor terminal, that is the electrode terminals, and then output terminals of the transformer, input terminal of the transformer before starting the experiment. Okay. Then now you can adjust the gap, because the experiment is what we have to measure means that is the gap distance between the two electrodes. How can we can adjust? Okay. Now you see here, this is the handle to adjust. Here is always in the 0 position. So here the gap is there. Now I set the 15 mm gap between plane and point electrodes. Now I start the experiment. Now that means before starting the experiment, the same procedure, the high voltage, all the experiments, you can wear the rubber gloves. Okay, then I switch on the power supply. Okay, then the main push button is pushed. Now you see main indicating lamp, HT off, and then decrease indicating. You will have to wait. Now you can, the unit relay indicating lamp is glowing. Now you can HT push button is on. Okay, now you can increase voltage, push button switch. You can increase voltage. Okay, now you can see
the voltage, spark voltage between the two electrodes. Now the spark occurs between the plain and pen electrodes. Now how can you see the, so here the memory push button is there, memory push button is there. How much input voltage I am given, that means 70, okay, and then the breakdown voltage is 14 kV. Okay, now you can note down the gap between the plane and point electrode is 15 mm, and then this is the input voltage. The output kV is equal to 14 kV. This is in the tabular column tablet. That after that you can emergency push button you can press for our shape, then you can reset push button, then you can switch off the power supply. Then again you can now take the discharge rod, because you can discharge electrode point, water resistor point, and then output of the high voltage transformer. Okay, now we can adjust the gap using this handle. Now I set the 10 mm gap. Now I set the 10 mm gap here, but here also you can see the handle here also marking is there. This is the 0 position, here 10 mm gap. Now again we follow the same procedure. You can switch on the power supply, you can switch on the main switch, you can wait. That means the unit relay, unit lamp, indicating lamp is glowing, you have to wait. Now the unit is ready. Now you can HT on push button, you can push on. Then next you can increase push button switch is there, you can increase the voltage. Now you can see the spark between the electrode. Now the spark occurs. Now you can press the memory push button. Now the voltage is, that means 45 only. Okay, now the kV breakdown voltage is 8 kV. This is the tablet dump. After that you can emergency push button is pressed, then again that means a reset push button is pressed, then you can switch off the power supply. Like that. Again you can 5 mm gap also, the same procedure you follow. This is the conduction part of the point plane configurations.